Sky News revealed this week that at the height of the pandemic, the government overstated the number of people who had tested positive for COVID-19 by 200,000, who had been tested for COVID-19, sorry, by over 200,000. Will you apologise for misleading the public?
I'm not aware of that report.
OK, well, it's the 21st of May, government slides at the daily press conference said 2 million people have been tested. This week, the Department for Health posted data that showed that, in fact, on the 21st of May, 1.8 million people had been tested. So that's 200,000 people who you said had been tested for COVID-19 that actually hadn't. Will you apologise for misleading the public?
No, I certainly haven't misled anyone. It is the case, of course, that the Department of Health will be responsible for consistently correcting any figures, but I'm completely unfamiliar with this story. So, again, I'm very happy to investigate and to look at the source of the original figures and then the source of the revised figures and to explain any discrepancy. But I'm afraid I was unaware of this matter until you mentioned it.
Is it something that you will be looking into to try and get more information on?
Well, now that you've mentioned it, I will, of course, check, absolutely. Again, one of the things that has happened throughout this crisis is that sometimes, and I'm not suggesting that's the case here, people have been comparing apples with pears. If you look, for example, at the instance of the disease that has been revealed through testing, and then if you look at the instance of the disease that has been estimated by official statisticians, they're obviously different things. There's a relationship between them. Now, here you're talking about testing numbers. I'd have to look at the figures, because as we know, there have been different types of tests carried out. I don't know whether or not the original figure referred to Pillar 1 and Pillar 2 tests and other tests, and the subsequent figure refers only to Pillar 2. I'd have to look at that and then, of course, come back to you.
OK, well, I look forward to that response in that case.